At Enerlon, we get it. When your heating and air conditioning equipment is running smoothly, business just works better. That's why we created the Enerlon Smart Maintenance Advantage program. The SMA is an economical, more practical approach that helps you stay ahead of equipment problems or failures before they happen. We think about your environmental comfort, so you don't have to. Once you have signed up for the Smart Maintenance Advantage program, one of Enerlon's EPA-certified technicians will develop a customized checklist and maintenance schedule for each piece of your equipment. Even in California, we have a seasonal climate. The maintenance schedule for your equipment will be based around weather conditions. Cooling systems will be thoroughly checked in the spring, so the air conditioning systems will be ready for the summer heat. Heating elements will be maintained in the fall to assure optimal readiness when the winter weather hits. The Smart Maintenance Advantage program includes everything your equipment needs to stay in top shape, like swapping out air filters, adjusting or replacing belts, cleaning drain pans and coils, blowing out drain lines, checking refrigerant pressure, inspecting motors, pulleys, sensors, the works. The bottom line? With the Enerlon Smart Maintenance Advantage program, you will have less stress, fewer breakdowns, and more environmental efficiency. Enerlon has got you covered with Smart Maintenance Advantage. Call today for a free assessment of the climate controls and equipment in your building. 888-363-7566.